ABT presents A1 Level Conversations.
Life at my desk.
Hello, everyone. Today, I want to tell you about my day at the office. When I arrive at the office in the morning, the first thing I see is my big brown desk. On the desk, there are many things. There is a computer, a blue notebook, and 3 black pens. The computer is very important for my work. Next to the desk, there is a blue and comfortable chair. I like it because I can sit and work for many hours. On the floor, there is a small carpet. The carpet is red and white. It makes the office look nice. I also have a family picture on my desk. In the photo, you can see my mother, my father, my sister, and me. The picture is important for me because when I feel tired, I look at it and I feel happy. At the office, there are also some books. The books are about business and technology. On the right side of my desk, there is a cup of coffee. I usually drink 2 cups of coffee every morning. Sometimes there is also a bottle of water. The water is important to stay healthy. In my bag, there are many items. I always carry a pencil case. Inside the case, there are some pencils, an eraser, and a ruler. My office is not big, but it is comfortable. There is a window. The window is large and clean. Through the window, I can see 2 green trees and a white building. Sometimes I see people walking in the street. So my day at the office is simple. There are many objects and items, and each object is important for me. The desk, the chair, the books, the picture, the computer, and the coffee. All of them make my office a place where I can work and feel good.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our website or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.